Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. As you know, sales are the lifeline of any company, especially when managing field sales activities which can be complex. Sales representatives often encounter challenges such as poorly planned schedules, inability to complete tasks on time, network issues, and ineffective communication. Managers, on the other hand, struggle with allocating numerous tasks across multiple resources, delays in timeliness, lack of information, and minimal team productivity. To address these challenges, we offer Effort, a mobile first platform designed to simplify complex business workflows, forms, approval flows, and surveys. Our solution is ideal for field data collection, service ticketing, inspections, field audits, customer feedback, and business process automation. Now, as you can see, I have logged in as a sales manager and I would want to see all the leads and assign them to the sales representatives. In order to do that, I'll go to the web app. Here, it will show me all the leads along with their associated details. Now I can assign one or more leads to a sales representative. I'll assign Mr. Nagaraj and Mr. Tilak to Pawan Kumar, who is a sales representative. Once this has been assigned, it will be accessible by Pawan in his mobile app and he will be able to act upon these leads. Now let us see how Pawan Kumar can perform the activities using the mobile app. As you can see, I have already installed the Effort Next app on my mobile device. I'll open the app and here I have signed in as Pawan Kumar. To see my leads, I'll go to leads and it will show me the leads that have been assigned to me. Now I will plan my day. For that, I have a day planner in my mobile app. I'll open the day planner. I'll select today's date, which is 23rd, and I'll add the leads that I'm going to visit. I'll select Mr. Nagaraj and Mr. Tilak. I'll click on accept. Now, these two leads have been added to my today's day plan. I can go to the day plan by clicking on the box at the bottom. So this is my day plan. On top, you can see the progress bar, and at the bottom, we have the two leads. Now, assume that I am visiting Mr. Nagaraj first. For that, I would want to see his details. So I'll click on the card and it will show me all the details associated with Mr. Nagaraj, like his customer ID, his phone number. Now, if I want to call him, I'll just click on his phone number and it will take me to the dial pad, allowing me to call him easily. I would also want to see his location so that I can reach his place. So for that, I'll click on view map and it will show me his location in the map. Now I'll select get driving directions to, and it will take me to the Google map and show me the path that I need to take to reach this person's place. Now, once I have reached at his place, I'll check in. For that, we have a check-in button on the top right. Once I check in, I'll be able to perform my activities at this lead. Now, assume that I have given some product demos to this lead and I want to record the outcome of the demo. So I'll go to add activity and here I'll select record demo outcome. Now I'll select the solutions that I have demonstrated. I'll select lead management and logistics management, and I'll also record the customer's key pain points, manual processes, and also note down his feedback. I'll also select the follow-up action. Now assume that the customer has requested for a quotation. I'll select provide quotation and I'll click on save. Now I can prepare a quotation in a similar way. For that, once again, I'll go to add activities and I'll select prepare quotation. Now here you can see all the details of this custom lead, like the phone number, the email, his address, and now I'll add the solutions. These are the two solutions. This is the price of each solution and the total. Now I'll give my signature. And I'll save this. Once I save this, this lead will receive an email having a PDF attachment of the quotation. So now let us see how this will be received by the lead. I'll check my mailbox. Yeah. So I have received this email from Spurs Effort. and it has the attachment. So this is the attachment. You can see the quotation number, the quotation date, also the solutions for which he has requested the quotation, and the total price. So this is how we can record the demo outcomes and also prepare and send quotation to the lead. As you can see here, my day plan is 50% complete. That is because I visited one out of two leads. And now since my work at lead one is complete, I can check out. So I'll have to visit the remaining leads in a similar manner. And once all the leads have been visited, the day plan will be completed. Now, once my visits are completed, I can claim expenses. So for that, I have an expense form. I'll open it and I'll claim the expenses that I've incurred. On top, you can see my details like my name and my ID. I'll add the expenses, food and travel. I'll enter the amount and I'll also attach the bills. So I can either take the photo from my camera or upload it from the gallery. I'll go to my gallery. I'll attach the bill, also add the travel expense, attach the fuel bill. It will show me the total expense. Then I'll give my signature. And once I save this, it will go to my manager for a review. Now you can see this request is waiting in the pending bucket. So let us see how the manager can review this request. So if I go to the home screen, I'll see this item waiting for me in this pop-up. So I can go to this item and I can review the data. If I want to see the proof, I can just click on it. And even the travel bill. And then I'll click on approve. I'll give my remarks. I'll click on approve. Now this will be updated in Pawan Kumar's app. Now, if I go to the expense form, you can see item is in the approved bucket now. Now let us see how the managers can track and monitor the activities of their employees. So now I'm on the home screen and here you can see I have a dashboard that shows me the lead status, like how many leads have been assigned, how many lead visits were planned today, and how many visits were completed. Then I also have a mobile sign in, sign out dashboard that tells me how many of my employees have signed in, how many have not signed in, and how many are on leave. Then there is a bar chart that shows me how many expense approvals were submitted today and how many are waiting on my behalf. And then also I have a donut chart that shows me how many employees have created a day plan for today and how many haven't. Now, if I click on any one of these parts, it will show me the details, like the place from which the employee has signed in and the date and time. Then lastly, I also have an employee presence dashboard that shows me the list of my employees who are working in the field along with their device status. Like the last time when they had signed synced, whether their GPS is on, their battery percentage, and also their last location. So this is how the managers can see and assign leads to the sales representatives, and how the sales representatives can act upon these leads, visit these leads, also record the demo outcomes and prepare quotation. And then lastly, how the managers can monitor the activities of their employees. So to summarize, Effort provides a comprehensive field sales automation solution offering benefits such as lead management, planning and scheduling, intelligent work allocation, real-time visibility, expense management, reports, online and offline capability. Thus, you can simplify your sales management and propel your business forward with effort. Contact us or sign up to learn more. Thank you.